Hello everyone, my name is Tarun Patel and I am specialized in routing and switching technology. Today I'm going to give light on NTP protocol, like why we need it and what is the use case of NTP. NTP stands for Network Time Protocol. So this is designed to synchronize the time between devices so that the device can get the accurate time. So the question is why this is important in the network industry. For example, you are getting a complaint from a customer that I am not able to access internet. So the question is, how do you know that the client is going to be registered the complaint at this specific time? NTP will be the rescue in order to give these type of questions. Now, you know that the concept of NTP. The next question is, you should know how this is functioning. So NTP is using the concept of stratum, where stratum is indicate that how far the device is away from the internet clock or atomic clock. So this stratum is divided in level, where level range is between 1 to 15. Level 1 is indicate that your device is directly connected with atomic clock. So it is always recommended that if you want to synchronize the time with the atomic clock, your device should able to receive level 1 or level 2 so that they can get the more accurate times. Meaning, the lower the level, that means your device is getting more accurate time. So if you're getting the more accurate time, so that you can give the best service to your customer within the time frame. So far you know the concept of stratum, but the next question is how this stratum is going to be announced or communicate between the devices. So in order to understand, you have to know the NTP mode and the various communication method. NTP is divided in three specific mode. One is known as server. So server mode meaning this is going to be supply the time between devices. That means server is configured, or this is, you can think like this is the atomic clock which is announcing the time to various devices in the network. Client mode meaning which is receiving or synchronizing the time from server. The next one is known as symmetric mode. So this mode is useful in failover scenario, or that is also known as peer mode. If one server is down, so the next server is giving the time, supplying the times to various client. So these are the three mode. Next is how these server client is communicating. So that means you have to know the various communication method. So the NTP is using the three various communication method. The one is known as unicast. Unicast meaning, for example, if you have 50 devices within a network and there is one atomic clock, so that means that one atomic clock is supplying or giving unicast message to every 50 devices. So that could be a problem if you have many devices within a network. So in order to solve that problem, so you can go for the other communication method like multicast and broadcast. So multicast will be useful if you have many receivers which is need to be synchronized with the atomic clock. Another method you have also the broadcast, but broadcast is only useful within the one broadcast domain. So if you have a routed environment, then the broadcast won't help you in that case. So multicast will be the rescue. So if you have a many device and have to be choose between multicast and broadcast, so obviously the multicast will be the preferred choice. So far you know the functionality of NTP, why we need it, what is the concept of stratum, and what are the various mode and communication method. Now do some real-time testing.